Are we live? Are we good? I think we are. What's going on, guys? Let me check. I don't have chocolate in my teeth. I was just drinking my chocolate protein shake because I just got back from the gym. And something that I still get asked a ton of questions about is my hair care routine when I go to the gym regularly. I go almost every single morning, 5 to 6 days a week, maybe 1 to 2, well, definitely 1, sometimes 2 rest days a week. And that means my hair can never catch a break. And a lot of you are always amazed that my hair always still looks styled and fresh, even when I'm hitting the gym super, super hard. So I thought today I would give you an updated hair care routine because a lot has changed, including some new amazing attachments for the Dyson Supersonic. As you guys know, I am a Dyson hair ambassador and I love my Supersonic so much. All my Dyson tools are my absolute favorite. They really do make my life so much easier with my 2 Huskies that leave fur everywhere in the vacuum, the Air Wrap, the Supersonic, and now there's 2 awesome attachments, one being the gentle dryer and then the other being the comb. So I'm gonna show you how to use these 2 attachments. They've become a part of my post-gym routine because I used to kind of just blow dry my hair like crazy, and then it was even more time consuming to further style my hair afterwards or adjust it post-gym. The gentle dryer has made it a lot easier, and almost dropped my hair dryer. I have a select few hair products, or quite a few. I have a lot of hair products actually that I rely on to keep my hair looking fresh and healthy and shiny and basically just looking good after the gym, because if you go to the gym, you know that your hair probably looks crazy afterwards. And for some people, it might actually deter them away from the gym if their hair is freshly styled and they don't want to ruin that style. So I'm gonna be sharing all of my best kept secrets in today's video. If you are new, my name is Alatorre. Join the family, hit that subscribe button. Welcome, and let's get right into it. So first things first, let's talk about this bun. It's barely hanging in there. It's kind of falling apart. You can see these pieces right here. I always wear my hair in a bun when I go to the gym. I do have another video showing how I stylize it or how I secure it with bobby pins. Ideally, if my hair is so perfectly styled that I don't want to ruin it, maybe I have an event right away that morning or something going on that day, I will secure the bun with a ton of bobby pins and no hair tie. When I don't use a hair tie, it prevents that dent in the middle of our hair. I also do my bun, when I do use a hair tie, I just wrap it into a bun without tying it into a ponytail first, because basically when you use a hair tie, you're gonna get that dent in the middle of your head regardless, and it's so hard to get rid of. And when I do, let me show you guys how I do it really quick. So if I were to do my lazy quick bun at the gym and just toss it up, I do this, I get it all up on the top of my head, and then I spin it around or twist it around like so, and then just secure it with the hair tie like so. For me, this ends up looking better. I don't necessarily get that dent. The hair will be a little messier, but that's also the reason why I always wave my hair the way I do. You guys always see me styling my hair exactly the same way. I always talk about Justine Marjan and how she taught me to do the perfect, messy, effortless beach waves. I love this hairstyle because I feel like the messier the hair gets, the better. You can go to the gym, you can tie it up, let it down, and it'll always look good versus straight hair. I very rarely wear my hair straight because it's just a pain in the ass to touch up, especially when I go to the gym regularly. So that is the key to the bun. Also, the bun saves my hair from getting sweaty. If I'm wearing a sports bra like this, where the back is completely exposed and I'm getting sweaty, my hair, if it's in a ponytail, low ponytail, or if it's down, I don't know who wears their hair down to the gym. My hair is just going to get swished around in all that sweat, and then the hair ends up feeling dirtier a lot quicker. So that is why I wear the bun. Plus, when I'm skipping rope, the bun gets it up and out of the way. Same thing with like burpees or anything that is a fast movement. Ponytails just tend to annoy me. They end up hitting me in the face and the eyes. So this to me is the most efficient hairstyle I can wear at the gym. I don't care if it doesn't look that cute or attractive. It's the gym. I'm not really trying to pick up anyone, impress anyone. I have a boyfriend. I'm there to put in the work, nothing else. All right, so I'm gonna take this down. And I just got back, so my hair is still a little sweaty. I mean, it's been a hot minute. I took the time to make my protein shake. It's not like, you know, I just left the gym seconds ago. It's been about 45 minutes, but the thing with my hair is that it is extremely thick, coarse, wavy textured, so it tends to stay pretty moist back here. So this is where the new Dyson Supersonic gentle dryer attachment comes into play. So if you have curly hair, my hair probably looks insane right now. If you have curly or textured hair, you are well aware of diffusers. Let me actually show you one because the Dyson does come with one. So if I want to enhance my curls, I use something like this. This is your typical diffuser. A lot of people with curly hair are very familiar with this attachment. So the gentle dryer looks like this. Obviously a lot smaller, compact, and it does the same thing in that it diffuses the air. So the airflow coming out of this is very gentle. It's not gonna mess with your hairstyle. It's going to give you volume and overall just give you a much more natural look, or again, maintain the current hairstyle, in my case, waves, versus if you were to blow dry your hair with the direct air. So I wanna show you guys the difference. This is full speed, full heat without the gentle dryer. You see that airflow? And now, this is the same speed, same heat and everything, but with the gentle dryer. See how soft that is? So you can really maintain a natural finish to your hair or maintain your style without disrupting it when drying your hair, because one of the first things I do after the gym is I blow dry all the moisture out of my hair, because the more moisture, the more frizzy your hair is gonna get, the more you're going to ruin your hairstyle. So with the new gentle dryer attachment, I just lightly run it on the scalp. Not really the ends, because I wore my hair in that bun, so the ends of my hair aren't sweaty, they're not moist. It's mainly just back here and the roots. That's where we tend to get or build up a lot of sweat. So that is what I dry with the gentle dryer. The comb is great for those of you out there with my hair type that is super thick, because it allows you to really get into those hard to reach areas and maybe areas that tend to stay moist, like the back of my head. So with this guy, I just tuck it in back here to get those hard to reach areas. It's really up to you and your specific needs in terms of what you want to use or need to use. But both have been game changers, and I've been hiding them for a while, but they're officially out now, which is great. That's why I'm sharing this in today's video, or sharing my updated routine, because that has become a part of my post-gym routine, as well as all of these hair care products that I am so amped to share with you guys, because one in particular I feel like no one ever talks about, and it is such a staple for my dry hair. It really saves me when I don't wash my hair every single day. I try and prolong it as much as I can. I try and wash it maybe every 3 to 4 days. And I know if you have finer, thinner hair, oily hair, you feel the need to wash your hair every day, or you rely on dry shampoos. The opposite is for extremely dry hair. The longer you go without washing your hair, the more brittle your hair starts to feel, especially the ends. So the scalp will still get oily. Mine just takes a long time for it to show because it is really thick and naturally super dry. But the ends just feel like straw. Like if you run your fingers through my hair right now, you'd be like, ooh, girl, get yourself a deep conditioner. But that is where dry conditioners are an essential. Yes, dry conditioners, not to be confused with dry shampoo. A dry conditioner adds moisture back into your hair without, again, ruining the style, changing the hairstyle, or having to wash your hair and condition it. I have a few here that I want to mention. One is actually a hair mask, however, it's labeled as a dry hair mask, so to me it's still a dry conditioner. It's just the most hydrating of the three that I'm gonna share with you guys. And I own a ton of dry conditioners. I will list every single one that I've tried down below, link them all, but highlight my favorites. My absolute favorite dry conditioner is the Living Proof Instant De-Frizzer. I live for this stuff. When I travel to humid locations, I always bring the travel size. It's on my desk whenever I'm filming because the heat from the lights really starts to bring out the frizz in my hair. So this is an instant fix for dry frizzy hair. It says it's a dry conditioning spray and it says instantly tames frizz on dry hair by adding softness, smoothness, and shine. Ideal for use between shampoos. So a lot of the times you guys comment that my hair looks really shiny and hydrated, and this is what I do. Anytime I see frizz popping up, I just apply it all over, especially the ends where they feel really brittle and dry. Try not to inhale your dry conditioner. But the hair will look wet temporarily, but it just absorbs quickly and your hair is back to normal. It just feels a lot more hydrated. And I remember when I was in Costa Rica or even New York where it's super humid, and when I was rocking the bangs, I went to, actually it was a Dyson event. It was for the launch of the Airwrap. I had just gotten bangs and I carried the little travel size one with me in my purse and just constantly was spraying my bangs because, well, that and dry shampoo, because bangs get oily really quick and they also start to look dry really quick or frizzy. So I was relying on this plus a dry shampoo to keep them looking fresh. Your hair just instantly feels so much better. I mean, doesn't it already look so much better? It already looks hydrated. This one has never failed me. A new one that I'm also trying is the AMIKA Silken Up Dry Conditioner. I just love AMIKA products. They do products for dry, coarse, frizzy, textured hair really well. And like I said, I've used so many, but these are the ones that are in my current rotation. And then the mask that I want to mention is IGK Antisocial. This one is the most hydrating, so it will definitely leave your hair looking wet after you use it. So if you're new to dry conditioners, maybe start with the Living Proof because I think this is the best of the ones that I'm showing you guys. To lift up my roots, because the more oil buildup you get, the flatter your hair gets. So for dry shampoos, I'm also trying the AMIKA dry shampoo. I love the variety of IGK dry shampoos. Let me show them to you guys. If you're an avid dry shampoo user and don't want anything that's gonna leave your hair textured or feel too heavy, I love Direct Flight from IGK. They have three, a really intense, a middle one, which is this one, and then a light one for more so texture and volume. This one's great for everyday use because it doesn't feel too heavy or too light. And with dry shampoos, I usually just add them up here. Not really on the rest of my hair, but if I need volume, more volume, as if I don't have enough volume, I just add it to the top of the hair like that. I love using serums. I love the one from Kerastase, the Elixir Ultime. I think that's how you say it. Also, this IGK Crybaby I've been giving a try and really like. I like hair oils that aren't extremely heavy because if you keep adding them every day, eventually your hair will get weighed down. It'll feel heavy, but this one and the Kerastase one are very, very light. And then the last two products for volume that I want to share with you guys are these two right here. These are sprays that you add to the roots of your hair, also kind of all over if you want like a really nice airy volume. This one is the BB Thickening DrySpun Texture Spray. Even when I'm wearing my hair in a ponytail, I take this spray and I kind of add it all over to get those super voluminous ponytails that you see me wearing. Same thing with this guy, it works the same. You add it to the roots or anywhere where you want airy volume. I usually will lift the hair and go and do right here. I would do it now, but as you can tell, I already have a ton of volume, so I don't think those products are necessary at the moment. But that is pretty much it. That sums up everything. If the ends are looking a little stringy, if you guys know what I mean by stringy hair, where it's like not nice piecey texture, it's more so like stringy looking dirty, I take a brush and I just comb through the ends so that they look a lot softer and not stringy. We want PC texture, not stringy. Just like that, fluff them up. That is pretty much my post-gym hair routine. This is how you guys normally see my hair in Instagram stories, post-gym, on YouTube. It's this same hairstyle. Again, I will link my past videos showing you guys how I create the beachy, textured, effortless waves, because this hairstyle lasts and lasts and lasts no matter if you put your hair up or down or put it in a bun. It always ends up falling back into place when you take it down. So that is a wrap on today's video. I'm making sure that my hair looks good. I kind of just messed with it a lot in today's video, so hold up. Un momento, por favor. I have shared all my secrets that I hide in this hair of mine, all of them, including the new releases from Dyson. I've had them for a while, but they are officially out now, so I was able to share them with you guys, as well as my best kept secret, the dry conditioners. Honestly, do yourself a favor if you have dry hair, check them out, try them out, go into Sephora, give yourself a spray, be that person. I am here for it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, even this more like laid back vibe. I kind of like this setting. I'm just using my natural window lighting, so hopefully it didn't fluctuate too much, the color in today's video. But if you guys like this, comment down below. And as always, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a like, share it, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys. Mwah.